whisper soft and low, a language only hearts might know. Each crest a memory they keep, rolling secrets of the deep. Oh, the sea, it holds my heart tight, and I will never part. Every echo softly sways, dreams tied tightly to the waves. Footsteps vanish in the sand, written notes by ocean's hand. A love that shifted with the tides, now it drifts where stars reside. Oh, the sea, it holds my heart. Hold my breath and close my eyes. I float out past the crashing tide, an undertow of grief and doubt. I think I might just drown. The stillness of the ocean deep, a perfect mirror over me, a soothing darkness like a dream. It swallows everything. All the lies that I was told, all the love I lost and sold, and every secret that I keep, the ocean keeps them safe for me. In a haze of black and blue, an endless prism full of hues, voices calling from above, the sound of the one I love. I come to in shallow waves. The storm has passed, it's a brand new day. The air is crisp, the sun is warm, the ocean welcomes me to shore. All the lies that I was told, all the love I lost. Down in the shallows where the new life lives. The beach is warm and the air is clear. Nothing else grows in the seaweed there. Nothing else matters when I have you near. Beneath the seafoam where the fish all swim, the air is cool and the sun is dim. The water's murky and the kelp is deep. When I have you, there is nothing I need. Nothing else grows in the seaweed there. Nothing else matters when I have you near. Down in the shallows where the new light